Okay, so you've identified what you want, right? Step number one, we know what we want. Great. Now what? Now I think it gets a little bit easier, at least for me. You engineer backwards. Now, what I mean by that is, okay, let's say you have a 1040 practice that's generating $150,000 a year. You want to have $1 million practice, all right? You're going to do representation, you'll do some advisory, and you want to work with better 1040 clients. So step number one is, where are you? What is the gap you need to close? And then look at what, like if you're going to do IRS representation, tax rep is what we do, the average case is about $8,500. Well, $8,500, if I need to close that $800,000 gap, $8,500, I'm going to need X number of clients a month, all right? What would that come to? Probably about, 8. So you're looking at getting 1 or 2 clients a week, all right? If you have a practice that's already generating $300,000-400,000 of revenue, well, you don't need, you start narrowing that gap. Are you going to do audits? Are you doing automated bookkeeping? Whatever you're going to do, we'll get into the services in a moment, but you know what you want, you know where you are, and now we engineer backwards. When I say engineer backwards, figure out based on the engagements, what they're worth, how many do you have to have? Because $1 million sounds like a big number. When you actually break it down to the number of cases, it's not as many as you think, all right? So we know what we want, we're going to engineer backwards. Next is step number 3.